Hello friends, welcome to my channel Make Cube Journey. So let's start our fourth part of solving 3x3 Rubik's Cube. In this part, I will show you how to solve the third layer. In the third part, you have seen how to solve the second layer. In the second part, the first layer, and in the first part, the introduction of the cube. So let's start our fourth part. As you see in the third part, while solving the second layer, blue was not our top layer. Green was our top layer. As while solving the second and third layer, the layer on which we have made the cross and corners has not to be on the top, but its opposite layer has to be the top. So, after solving the second layer, there can be three situations. The first situation is there can be a dot. The second situation is there can be a L. And in the third situation, there can be a line. If you see a dot, then we have to perform this algorithm, and the algorithm is F R U R prime U prime F prime. Now we got L. If you see a L, then perform this algorithm one more time by positioning this L inverted like this. From here, perform the previous algorithm one more time. F R U R prime U prime F prime. Now we got a line. If you see a line, perform this algorithm one more time by keeping this line horizontal. F R U R prime U prime F prime. Now we complete our cross. It is not necessary that after solving the second layer, you just got a dot. You can directly got a L or a line. It's not certain. After getting a cross, we have to match this down facing edge pieces to its matching center, as this is matching. First, we have to match any two of the four. So let's do it. I'm doing this. Not matching, not matching. Anyone it's not matching. I turn it one more time. The only yellow one is matching. So we have to turn this one more time. Now see, the two colors are matching. Red and white are matching. So we keep this like this in the L form. The one of it has to be the backward in the back side, and the one has to be in our right side. And we have to perform one more algorithm, and it is R U R prime U R U2 R prime U. Now see, we have matched all our edges, downsides. There can be one parity in matching these edges with its centers, and the parity is two colors are matching but in opposite, means in a line form, not in a L form. If you see this line form, take this line, place this line horizontally like this, and perform the algorithm. R U R prime U R U2 R prime U. Now 1 is matching, so keep moving, there will be 2 that are matching. I am turn 1 up, 1 time left side, and see these 2 are matching in a L form. So I take this as L like this. 1 is facing right side and 1 is facing back side, and perform the algorithm one more time. R U R prime U R U2 R prime U. Now all the edges are matching to its correct position. Now we have completed working on edges and make the cross and match all the edges. After making the cross and matching edges to its center, we have to work on corners. And for this, first we have to take the corner to its correct position, not correctly oriented but to its correct place. First we have to find that is any one of this is to its correct place. No, none of this is to its correct place. So we have to perform the following algorithm. U R U prime L prime U R prime U prime L. Now check one more time. Yes, this piece is at its correct place and correctly oriented. We have to place this piece in our right hand down, means right and down corresponding corner, means like this. Then perform the algorithm one more time. U R U prime L prime U R prime U prime L. Now all the corners is at its correct position. So let's orient the corners properly. These 2 are correctly oriented, but these 2 are not. So that any one of that is not correctly oriented, take it to our right down corner, means this, and perform the algorithm, that is R prime D prime R D. One more time. R prime D prime R D. Now this has matched, but no worry of it. Keep performing. It is not oriented. Perform this more. R prime D prime R D. One more time. R prime D prime R D. Now this is oriented, so take the unoriented piece to our right down hand like this and perform the algorithm one more time. R prime D prime R D. R prime D prime R D. Now see, the down which we have matched is correct. Now take this, match this to its correct position, and we have completed our cube. Now the cube is completed, and our series of solving 3x3 Rubik's Cube is also completed. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.